ECDC welcomes you to this video tutorial. Let me show you in only 2 minutes how do coordinators use the hyFive tool to manage structures and observers, as well as to consult the registered observations. When you log in as a coordinator, you will land on this page. First, make sure that you select the right healthcare facility. Under the Observations tab, you get an overview of all observations registered by your observers. You may filter by observation type and time period. Under the Transfer Sessions tab, you can consult the session transferred to the administrator. It's also from here that you select the observations to transfer to the administrator. Under Departments and Units, you will be able to consult your structure and add, remove, rename and reorganize until your reality is properly mapped into the tool. Under Coordinators and Observers, you can manage the people that will have each role in the hyFive tool. Observers may add comments during their observation sessions whenever they feel it is necessary. To save time and ensure consistency, the coordinator can prepare and add predefined commonly used comments here, which observers can simply select instead of typing them repeatedly. In the Reports tab, you can visualize the results and export them to Excel format. Select the reporting interval, the period, the department type, the department, the unit, and the role. The tool will then display graphs showing the compliance rate results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to consult the handbook for more detailed instructions.